We all know the struggle. You spend hours editing a video, you finally get the pacing just right, and then you hit the dreaded stock music hunt. You find a track that's almost perfect, but the beat doesn't drop where the action happens. So, what do? You end up forcing yourself to re-edit the entire video just to fit the music. That ends today. Not long ago, I introduced you to this cutting-edge AI music production tool called Ace Studio, and honestly, it has proven itself to be a serious rival to Suno in the AI music landscape. But today, I'm showing you the latest update inside Ace Studio, the Video Composer. And no, this is not just another generator. This is an AI agent that creates royalty-free music and sound effects that actually match the scenes, cuts, and timing of your video directly on a timeline. Most AI music tools treat your footage like nothing more than a background image for the song, but Ace Composer treats your video like the master project. So let's jump in. I put the link to Ace Studio in the description below so you can follow along. All right, here we are on the dashboard. I know it looks like a blank canvas, but don't let that intimidate you because this is actually your professional music workspace. Today, though, we're focusing specifically on the Video Composer, and talk is cheap, so let's actually test this thing. First up, I've got this 8-second car racing clip that I previously generated with VO3. It already has a strong action dynamic, so this is going to be perfect for testing the capabilities of the Video Composer. So I'm going to go to File, Import, and click on Video File. Once it drops in, notice what happens automatically. The software creates a video track layer on the canvas. Just like in a video editor like CapCut or Premiere Pro, our clip is now placed directly onto a timeline. And as you can see, because VO3 generates videos with native audio, there's already an audio track embedded inside this clip. That's fine for general use, but it's not exactly polished sound design. So I'm going to right-click on the video track and select Detach Audio. And just like that, the software separates the audio file from the video. Now look over here at the sidebar. This is basically the command center for the composer. From here, we can generate music or SFX directly for the video. So first, I'm going to mute this original native audio track on the timeline, and let's use the composer to build a fresh music layer from scratch. Here, I'll select Music for Video, and I'm going to type high-octane racing, cinematic, intense build-up with heavy synth elements. Then, let's hit Create. Watch the Analyzing Video progress bar. The AI is scanning the frame sequence, picking up on that fast-paced motion, the aggressive movement, and even the dramatic lighting changes as the car hits the road. And here we are. Look at the timeline. It didn't just dump out one flat audio file. It actually laid out a layered project, and it already looks like a rich soundtrack session. You can see the music bed ready to go. But wait, that's not all. I also want some specific sound design for the engine action, so I'll click the plus button here and select SFX for video right next to it. This time I'll type mechanical engine sounds and tire screeches sync to the cuts. And here we go. The AI has carefully analyzed the footage and pinned these SFX clips directly onto the action points in the timeline. Let's hear the result. Okay, that is great. We've got the engine accelerating, gear shifts, tire screeches, and all those associated mechanical textures landing in the right places. The Composer AI has done an impressive job identifying the dynamic movements, and the sounds are syncing really well with the action. It already feels much more detailed and intentional than what we had in the native audio. The background music is also cinematic enough that, honestly, this could work really well as part of an action movie sequence. Now, I do think this one high-pitched exhaust note is a little too loud, so I'm going to click on it and adjust the fade in and fade out, so it eases in more naturally. That is much better. And just like that, we can customize the audio generated by the composer and shape it any way we want. That is exactly why this doesn't feel like a slot machine where you just generate and hope for the best. This actually feels like a real production environment. Let's try another example. This time, we'll go for something much more laid back, maybe ocean waves. For this, I have a 45-second video clip with 2 ocean scenes stitched together. The idea here is to give the AI enough breathing room to really build a cinematic arc in the sound design. The more time the composer has, the more visual context it can analyze, and that usually leads to more natural, accurate results. And as you can see, this time there's no embedded audio here, so we don't need to detach audio. All set, so now I'll open the Music for Video tab and type lo-fi, calming ambient textures, slow-paced piano, hit generate. And just like that, we have our background music in place. Now we need some SFX as well, so I'm going to select SFX for video. And here I'll simply type Soundscape, then hit create. Let's see how well the composer can analyze the visuals and decide what kind of ambient sound design this scene actually needs. That is terrific. The AI doesn't just throw a loud beat over the footage. It creates a soundscape that sits around the natural feeling of the waves, wrapped together with calm background music. It's not fighting the environment, it's building around it. And the best part is, you can drag any of these sounds anywhere on the timeline, trim them, duplicate them, and shape the whole arrangement however you want. And just like before, you can add fades and make everything ease in and out more smoothly as well. Now let's do the real-world test, a talking head video. Here I have another clip that I generated with VO3. This one is an influencer reviewing an iPhone.
They've completely redesigned the camera module this year. The low-light performance on the new iPhone is simply unmatched in the industry right now.
Yeah, that's AI generated. Mind-blowing, right? I'm going to upload this one into a new project, but here's the problem. This video already has a perfectly usable vocal track, and I need to keep that. If I just throw music on top of it, it's going to turn into a muddy mess. So I'm going to detach the audio just like before, but this time I'm not muting the native audio entirely. I want to preserve the voice, so I'm going to right-click that detached audio track, go to AI Tools, and select Stem Splitter. I only want to extract the vocals, so I'll choose the basic model and click Split. Now look at what Ace just did with the native audio. It separated the voice from the rest of the track and isolated it for us. In this case, it looks like the original clip was already mostly vocals with very little background noise, so that works perfectly for what we need. Now that the voice is safely sitting on its own track, I'll go to the Music for Video tab and prompt the agent with Subtle Professional Tech Tutorial Background Score Clean Arrangement, and here we are.
Camera module this year, the low-light performance on the new iPhone is simply unmatched in the industry right now.
That is a really solid background score for the type of tech explainer content, especially for YouTube style. But there is one thing I want to refine. I need this music to stay very subtle. It should support the influencer's voice, not overpower it. So I'm going to click on the music track here and reduce the volume of this background layer.
They've completely redesigned the camera module this year. The low-light performance on the new iPhone is simply unmatched in the industry right now.
That sounds perfect. Now the music is sitting right in the pocket. It adds energy, it adds polish, but it still lets the influencer's voice stay front and center. So that's the workflow. You import, you detach, you prompt, and you mix. And one quick reminder. Video Composer is currently in beta, so right now you'll export your final composed audio mix and then drop it into your favorite video editor. Full video export capabilities are coming soon, and honestly, that's something I'm really excited about. If you're tired of the whole generate and hope method, where you cross your fingers and pray the music fits your footage, this is a much smarter way to actually finish projects. The link to download the Ace Studio is in the description below. Go grab it, follow these steps, and start composing. And if this walkthrough helped you level up your editing process, by By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with TechSnap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and go make something cool.